Now for Amazon private label, this is the selling of goods that are not already in the Amazon system. So by this I mean you created the product or sourced the item yourself and then added the UPC code that you purchased to affiliate with that product. So these aren't the products that are out in the mainstream at the Best Buys, the Walmarts. You're private labeling or creating this product, putting your own UPC code on it, putting your own brand on it, and then selling it via Amazon private label on the Amazon marketplace. So with Amazon private label, there's no competing for the buy box. It's not that big Apple iPad that multiple people can source and sell. With Amazon private label, it's your brand, it's your product, it's your unique customization of a product that you sourced and built. Therefore, the buy box is yours. Yes, there's other Amazon sellers selling similar private label products, but no one can compete directly in your listing because you have a unique UPC code for your created product. So Amazon private label products is what I'll be focusing on in this course because Amazon arbitrage is fairly straightforward. Basically, you're going out, buying an item for cheaper than it's listed on Amazon, and then reselling it on Amazon. So for private labeling, I'll teach you how to find items to sell, how to source and manufacture these items, then how to create an optimized Amazon listing so they rank above your competitors' products, and finally how to set up FBA or fulfillment by Amazon. So this means you don't have to ship one item yourself. You basically get this inventory, package it properly, send it to these FBA centers, and Amazon will pick and pack your orders for you. So the goal with Amazon private label products is really a numbers game. Think of it, hundreds of millions of customers are on Amazon each day. So my goal is to just sell 10 to 50 units per day for each product. Now every entrepreneur loves calculating profit math, right? So my strategy is to find products that you can sell 20 units of per day. And my goal is $10 profit on each item. So that's $200 profit per day. So that's $200 profit per day. So 200 times 30 days, that's $6,000 profit per month. Now as we grow, we'll expand to more products. Let's say we get to 10 products within the first year. That'll be $60,000 profit per month or $720,000 profit per year. So that's why I get so excited about Amazon private labeling. So one thing I touched on with private labeling is UPC codes. So when you create these private label listings on Amazon, you'll be required to provide a UPC code for each item and each variation of that item you plan to sell on Amazon. Now don't let this become a roadblock for you. UPC codes can easily be bought in bundles on eBay. You can get 100 pack and they'll send you them via an Excel and a PDF of the UPC barcode images. Just remember, if you're on eBay, check out the reviews first. Make sure they're highly rated before you're purchasing them. Now one thing to note, make sure to keep track of your UPC codes you've already used. So like I said, they'll send you them in an Excel format. So what I like to do for each UPC code, I'll just write the Amazon product name next to it, and then in the next column, the provided Amazon ASIN number, and then in the next column, the variation that I'm using it for. Remember, you need a different UPC code for each size, each color, every variation. Think of UPC as an identifier for each specific size, etc. variation. So document your UPC use very well in an Excel spreadsheet. And I mentioned ASIN codes. Once you input the UPC code into your Amazon private label listing, Amazon will automatically assign an ASIN code. So basically an ASIN code is a unique UPC barcode, but used only internally by Amazon. So it's for their inventory system. They know that ASIN numbers are only special to them. So they can monitor products, inventory in all their FBA centers without losing an item or having to deal with your specific UPC code. One note to remember about this ASIN though, before you ship your private label inventory to an FBA center, Amazon actually requests you to cover your UPC code with their ASIN barcode. So this just tells you how important your ASIN number is to them. They don't want to confuse your product inventory with a UPC code relating to yours. They want to know specifically just the Amazon tracking number, that ASIN. It makes sense. It's their warehouse, they're picking and packing, follow their rules, right?